Our goal for the future. A world where what's waste for someone becomes a resource for someone else. It's the principle of circular economy, a self-sustaining system where materials and energy are infinitely reusable. When it comes to designing with this strong lightweight material, there are many opportunities for innovative aluminium solutions. Various properties make it an ideal metal to be used alongside other inert materials. It is now seen as a key material in the automotive industry, where all methods of transport strive to reduce their carbon footprint, effectively making your vehicle lighter, allowing you to reduce on fuel consumption. It's an excellent material for gaining good aesthetical properties for surface finish, notably in the automotive sector, furniture design, architecture, and even eyewear, amongst many others. Recycling aluminium brings enormous benefits as it only requires 5% of the energy required to produce the primary metal, and it can be recycled an infinite number of times without loss of properties. Total global recycled aluminium usage by the end-user sectors will reach 26.5 million metric tons by 2023. We have a moral obligation not only to assist our customers in designing with aluminium profiles, but to recycle this metal so that we can play our part in reducing the carbon footprint for all industries. This is the sustainable way. This is the Sapa way.
Whether it is in mobile devices, mass transportation, shipyard, automotive, renewable energy, e-mobility, or structural engineering, aluminium is all around us. Thanks to its scale, Sapa pushes the boundaries of innovation in technical alloys, innovative design, innovative processes and sustainability for both global and local customers. This is why, in collaboration with Zato and SGM, we have invested in new processes to increase the recyclability of post-consumer aluminium scrap. Introduced last year, this bespoke model for aluminium recycling is the first of its kind in the Sapa group. Prior to the installation of the Zato Blue Shark shredder and the SGM sorting line, all the aluminium scrap was visually sorted by various people of the casthouse team. Fundamentally, we had to rely on the honesty of the scrap suppliers, and this could be a lottery. Pre-sorting line installation, we purchased a much higher percentage of ingots. The quantity is difficult to define because the quality of scrap we received from supplier was very unpredictable and sporadic. This is 1,500 horsepower shredder, drum, trommel, eddy current and X-ray machine. It allows us to stay on target in being more efficient, greener and sustainable where the carbon footprint ethos is high. The DNA of the high-power shredder and sorting line is a stringent process to turn loose, low-grade aluminium profile scrap into clean scrap.
The Hammer Mill Series Blue Shark, specially developed by Zato for the aluminium industry, differs in its precise and effective modifications compared to the standard mill for scrap metal. Thanks to the specific design of its rotor, hammers and outlet grills, this mill produces a crushed product which is perfect for the separation line that follows.
This optimum size of the shredder scrap allows us to improve performance downstream at the furnace stage.
It's only in these specific conditions that the material can be prepared for subsequent separation from other contaminants, such as plastic, wood, iron, and any other foreign material.
Along with SGM and after numerous tests, we have chosen sorting machines equipped with tailor-made concentric technology which generates pulsating magnetic field. Effectively, the material meets a wall. Any magnetic material gets lifted over the wall, and any non-metallic such as cardboard, wood, plastic or copper wire covered in plastic fall below the wall. In order to maintain the desired quality of material, the process continually removes all the contaminants which may affect the furnace yield and the generation of dross or the alloy composition. Our strategy is to continuously maximize the aluminium recovery.
The X-ray stage identifies all materials such as castings, high zinc, and any other particular aluminium alloys, stainless steel, copper, and other foreign metals contained in the material stream, which are then ejected by a compressed air bar with over 100 air jets.
Within the year of installation, we are very confident about our recycling process. Most importantly, it allows us to broaden the area of the market from which we can source the scrap in order to improve our sustainability and improve the quality of the billet we produce. The sorting line fundamentally allows us to reduce our ingot consumption, which is paramount in reducing our purchase of prime billets. This gives us the confidence that we are contributing to reducing our carbon footprint.
Having been refined in this way, the aluminium is cast into billet at the furnace ready for extrusion. The result is an extremely high-quality metal ready for new applications and a new life cycle. This system is economically and environmentally sustainable by giving value to something that's considered waste and reintroduces it to the production process.
Global availability of aluminium scrap, particularly in certain Western countries which export more and more to Asia, is a worry. However, having the shredder and the sorting line is one avenue for us to overcome this issue and be able to process lower grade scrap. This has the added benefit of sorting material from a post-consumer source into its primary form. For Sapa, our collaboration with Zato and SGM means that we make post-consumer scrap more recyclable, which is a benefit to everybody. We save energy and primary resources. We are a team which focuses on a common goal.
Sapa, by far the largest producer of aluminium profiles, is dedicated to deliver high-quality products to our customers worldwide. Our product portfolio contains a wide variety of products, from simple profiles to highly complicated profiles with advanced alloys. Every step in our production chain has to support this superior quality. The journey of producing high-quality products starts with this amazing metal, aluminium. The material is lightweight, has high thermal and electrical conductivity, is corrosion resistant, high strength-to-weight ratio, and it's easy to form. In order to achieve this, other elements, called alloying elements, will have to be added to the pure aluminium to achieve these capabilities. This is a part of the challenge when reusing the aluminium. Since thorough control of the chemical composition of this alloy is a key in producing this high-quality product, mixing of this alloy is an issue for us. When reusing the aluminium, the metal is melted and the chemical composition is corrected. There are two main ways to correct the composition. Either to add more pure metal to dilute the elements, or to sort the scrap in advance. The sorting of the material is a far better approach, as this allows for a higher fraction of recycled material in the product. And it makes it also a whole lot easier to reach the correct chemical composition. Through our sorting line, we're able to segregate other materials from the aluminium. We are also able to sort some of the higher alloyed aluminium from the softer alloys. This is securing the correct chemical composition and capabilities of a final product.
Making aluminium from recycled scrap uses 1/20th of the energy required by primary aluminium production. Customers are increasingly seeking this green metal. Did you know that 75% of almost 1 billion metric tons of aluminium ever produced is still in productive use today? 50,000 tons of billet is cast at Sapa tib shelf, and 40,000 tons of scrap is processed annually. As we gain more knowledge and experience with the shredder and sorting line process, we can deliver impressive Go Circular with Sapa results that are the epitome of the industry. Sapa, Zato and SGM working together for a greener future.